You can export your project from EasyForm Studio in three different formats: cutting list in Excel, bill of materials, and a single board to image. When exporting a cutting list in Excel, you will receive a complete list of all building elements from your design. Each item includes precise dimensions, material specifications with name and thickness, and detailed requirements for edging tape, including which sides of the board it will be applied to. Every board also has its name and note, and boards are grouped by cabinet to make sorting easier. When looking at dimensions, the first dimension always follows the direction of the wood grain. For example, if a board measures 720 millimeters by 600 millimeters, the grain runs along the longer side. You can set the grain property to longer for vertical grain, running top to bottom, or set it to shorter for horizontal grain, running left to right. This ensures the correct grain alignment in the manufactured pieces. The option to export a single board to image saves the currently selected board as an image with all measurements displayed. This is especially useful for CNC cutting preparation, and it is particularly helpful for complex pieces such as kitchen worktops with cutouts. The bill of materials groups materials of the same type by thickness and calculates the total square meters required for each material. This data can be used for price estimates. Keep in mind that these calculations do not include offcuts or any additional costs that woodworking suppliers may add to their final pricing.